Current time 11:17. I was allowed by the teacher to walk out of the classroom to record this because I've been waiting 2 years. So it was postponed to 2022. What I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna set up the radio. Alright, I'll just lay on that. Alright, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna enter this shit.
And even if it's not corruption of the sources,
alright,
under the law,
3, 2, 1.
Something that corrupts the process. It has a corrupting influence on our constitutional order. You've disenfranchised hundreds of millions of Americans when you allow the firm. And if you want to know what I mean by the firm, I explain all this on my Twitter presence at Base Mike Lee. At Base Mike Lee explains in great detail how the firm operates and how this in turn leads to that form of corruption. It must be stopped. And the only way to stop the firm and this corrupting process that it perpetuates is for members to
Wireless mercy work.
And insofar as their legislative party leaders and their respective chambers of Congress are perpetuating the problem with the firm, we need to...
Here we go.
Folks, if you're not following the Base Mike Lee Twitter account, you don't know what you're missing. It's a classic. I found it myself about a year ago or so, and it is a deep inside dive on all of the disgusting snobble. Sorry, that's that.
James, you guys get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Talking about that. It just happened on my phone live on the air. But follow him at
Mike Lee. Got it.
And Senator, I just want to thank you again for...
Now I wait for the actual EAS activation.
And you're one of the few good guys up there. And we wanted to have you on because I know you tell all of the people out there straight what's really going on. You're welcome back anytime. So thanks for your time. Thanks so much, kid. Got it. Sorry about that, folks. That was literally the emergency alert that's happening on the air. I was 2 minutes early. That's what happened during the break. See, my buddy Tim, who messaged me on Facebook all the time, he said, dude, it just happened. It was supposed to be 2:20. Kind of scared the hell out of me a little bit. Did you catch that, Tim? You know, I never get thrown off on here. We did a show over cell phones on the air. And I was like, what the hell is that? Someone invading my house or something? I love that.
11:20.
All right, send me your Facebook messages when you contact your Congress. You got a whole bunch. Tim, Charlene, and as Mike Lee said,
there we go.
normal marches. Be very specific in your email.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system of the Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. Issued by the federal no action. This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system, issued by the federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2. Eastern Time. This is only it. Any longer it's started. This search motor. Eastern Time. This is only a test.
Barbara will get up to 86 degrees, 80s expected all throughout the region, and even 90s for some of these interior.
And check and see what discounts they have to go to Hawaii.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
then we'll be seeing those temperatures cooling off ever so slightly as we head on Sunday all the way.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Look at this. I love it. It's the biggest car.